Hi guys, here we are at Clementi Forest. We're going to just hike this part here. Okay, let's go. Okay, come Yu Hui and Adeline. Okay, this is a bit challenging for me because I have to watch my step and then try to film us going across this open area. A bit too fast. Okay. And yep, they are going down. Nice. Yep. Try to take from the front. Oops, where are they now? Okay. Turn the camera towards them. Ah, there they are. I'm far behind. Okay, there they are. Yep. Yeah, thanks Darren for waving. Yes, correct, nice. Keep going. Ooh. Hope I don't injure my ankle again. It'll be worth it. Okay, let me pan to the side. Nice, looking good, nice. Okay, trees behind. Be careful. Alright, yep. Yeah, yes. Wow, drone pilot in action eh. Hey, don't play. Oops. You're being hidden already. Hope can see you from the other side. Ah, okay, great. Okay, let's go. Sorry? My voice, I because it's connected to my phone. Yeah, okay, let me go behind. Yeah, there's a nice stream here. Okay, let me just track from behind. Ooh, too fast. Come on, slow down. Okay, let's go. Nice. Okay, there's a lot of trees around. Yep. Alright, let's go forward. Alright, good. Wow, very hard to multitask, yeah. Alright. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, can you stop there for a while? Then I just say that we are going to stop the live. I mean, as in, I'm going to stop. Okay, yeah, so that's all for now. We are going to carry on, go on to the real corridor. Okay. Bye. Bye.